Assalamualaikum. Hi, this is Kak Nini. I'm from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I am a modest fashion reviewer and I review fashion for all women who wear the headscarf. Here in Malaysia, we wear a headscarf and it's normally referred to as tudung. These are some samples of tudungs I'm buying from the website, Tudung Ruffle. So here in Malaysia, we have a lot of modest fashion and it covers a lot of tudungs. And the first, we have like Nilofa hijab, we have sugar scarf, and we have Tudung Ruffle. We have a lot of tudungs and there are a lot of generic types of tudungs, but I'm focusing on the main brands because they are available online for you to order. And I would like to review and unbox Tudung Ruffle, which I have ordered online, 3 types, and I will be reviewing them in a few days' time because I'm waiting for it to arrive. I'm so excited. Oh my god, the parcels have arrived today, and I thought it was going to arrive tomorrow. So these are the 3 tudungs I ordered. I'm back again, so my parcel has arrived. So I have to put on my specs for this. So this is the parcel. And it has a really nice phrase here. I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to see you. So I'm gonna unbox this in just a minute because I have to attend to my duties. So I'll be right back. So hi, I'm back and I've finished unboxing the scarves, and my favorite is obviously the Lilit Curve, which is the L shape voile tudung, which has to be styled. You can look at tudungruffle.com's various videos on YouTube. And the reason why I like this because it sits nicely on me and the color is very sweet, and I'm definitely going to buy more because I feel that it suits me. Whereas the other 2 designs, the square scarf, I already have a couple in my wardrobe, and I feel that it's not too flattering because it's kind of small for me because I'm kind of pudgy and I'm kind of big, so I need a bigger scarf. And the tie back is, I wouldn't say it's me, but I think it's suitable for people who has a nice, lovely forehead and a lovely rounder top of the, what you call the crown, is it? More bigger. So it doesn't suit me, that one. So as for the material, I like this material. It's very lightweight, but it's kind of see-through. You can see through. But that's the material voile, so you have to wear something underneath that's not so, well, if you're concerned about the see-throughiness, you have to wear something that's not too, that will maybe green on green. So for the square voile, sorry, you have to mind the traffic around here, it's really bad. So the square voile is, I'd have to, if I want to give, because of my size, I have to restyle it so that it gives me more coverage in the front. And the tie back, I don't quite like the material. It's not happening for me. But for sports, I would wear this. Yes, definitely. So, but I don't. I'd have to restyle it so that it looks more, happening. So that's it. That's Tudung Ruffle for you guys. And I hope you like my review. And if you really like what I've done, please press the subscribe button. Help me, help me. Bye.